Does your Mac not show the Image Playground app? Here's a quick trick to install Get the Image Playground app on your macOS installed macOS Sequoia 15.2. Ensure your Mac is updated to the latest macOS update. Go to the Appel logo from the top menu and click on System Settings. Select General and Software Update. Update your Mac to the latest macOS. Then, you should turn on Apple Intelligence with some prerequisite conditions like both your Siri language and your Mac system language being set to the same language. Go back to General. Under the System Settings, scroll to the Language and Region option and select Language to USA English. Don't restart for now. Once we set region to the United States, we do it manually from the Appel logo from the top menu and restart. And region set to United States. As you can see on my MacBook, like this. Once you finish the setup, restart your MacBook to apply the settings. Go to the Appel logo from top menu and restart. Click on the Apple Intelligence and Siri option on the left side of the System Settings window. Ensure the Siri language is set to English under the Siri requests. Once you correct all the settings, turn on the Apple Intelligence option and enable the toggle if it's showing. You might need to verify and check that the internet is working correctly and connected to power. It is recommended that you download support and app data like Image Playground. Wait for a few minutes, around 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see, I am getting notification for Apple Intelligence is ready. Turn on now. Under the Apple Intelligence and Siri option, click on the button, Turn on Apple Intelligence. Set up for Apple Intelligence like this. Follow on-screen instructions and you are done. At the same time, you will get notification Image Playground is here. Click to view and start using like this. Search the Image Playground app from the Spotlight search and start creating a personal AI image. Use your imagination and personalize an existing image or try different combinations. That's it. Here's my image library, which I can use in messages, notes, and other places easily. Watch my separate tutorial on how to use the Image Playground app on Mac.